This is an important safety message from SDG&E about a public safety power shutoff affecting your service. Your power should now be back on. If the power is still out, please call 1-800-411-7343. You may also visit sdgenews.com for up-to-date information. We understand there is no good time to be without power. We truly appreciate your patience during this time of high fire risk weather conditions. The high fire risk weather conditions have passed, and this is a final notification. Thank you.